This is my storytelling, math-based vacation. I'm Santiago Cano Duque from the English Does Work Level 7 at SENA 2023. My best vacation was the last year. I traveled by airplane. I was in Santa Marta and I went to the beach there. My parents accompanied me on my last vacation. I swam in the ocean for the first time. I took pictures when I was there. I went to Palomino the last year with my family. It was very amazing. I traveled in a field trip. I also tried exotic food. I also visited Cartagena with my parents the last year and it was very beautiful. These vacations were unforgettable because I had the opportunity to visit more cities and places in my country, and I had to abroad my city with my family on board. It was an amazing experience for me and my family because we went to the beach for the first time and we also got to know many places and tourist sites there. In past vacations I used to stay at home and have break from my studies at work, but now I usually go to road trips with my family and I didn't stay at home very often. I didn't used to go out of town, but now I do from time to time. Thanks for watching.